everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my gluten-free brownies. They're fudgy, they're moist, they're brownie-y, they're delicious, and all of it is gluten-free. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, hello. My name is Vanessa and I make a whole bunch of stuff gluten-free. No, I am not a chef. No, I'm not a cook. I'm just an average girl who got diagnosed with some stuff and we had to change our diet around. And I believe that just like you and me, that we should be able to enjoy everything gluten-free and have it taste normal and not that we're missing out on anything. So if you guys would like to see everything that I make, I will have a playlist for you guys below that you go, wow, I cannot talk today, that you guys can check out. And yeah, I have Thanksgiving stuff, I have bread, I have bagels, I have everything. And if there's anything that you guys would like to see, please let me know down in the comments. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I make my gluten-free brownies, then go ahead and keep on watching. I just had some light in my face. So first we are going to preheat the oven at 350. And of course, if I go too fast, just like any other video, the ingredients and the instructions will either be in the video or it will be down below. So don't worry, they'll be somewhere if I don't get to them. But if not, you can yell at me in the comments. That's okay. So we're going to do like a makeshift double broiler. I'm gonna put some hot water in a pot and then I'm gonna use this big bowl and put it on top of it so that way I can melt all of this stuff together. You can do this in the microwave. We just don't wanna put the chocolate directly in the pot because it will burn. But this is the easiest way for me to melt everything together. But like I said, you can do this in the microwave. It's completely up to you. But to this, we're gonna add butter, chocolate chips, cocoa powder. I'm gonna do a little bit of coffee because I feel like it enriches the flavor, but that's up to you. You don't have to add it. I just do like a tablespoon. And then we're also going to add some milk at some point. I'm just doing this so that I can melt it all down. We're gonna throw this in the brownie batter later. We're gonna let it cool a little bit, but yes, we're just gonna kind of melt. And then once that's done, we're gonna take it off the heat and set it aside and work on all of our other ingredients. Don't you love the way melted chocolate looks? I always think of like Willy Wonka. It's great. Just look at it. Look at it starts to come together. All I play in my head is like the beginning of the OG Willy Wonka, like the old one. When, yeah, you know what I mean. And then after we take it off, we're going to work on our dry ingredients. We're gonna do some gluten-free flour. I use Cup for Cup. I get it at Smart & Final. They have it at Walmart. It's the best. No joke, it's the best. And we're gonna add some salt to this. If you do not have xanthan gum in your flour, then go ahead and add xanthan gum at that point. And then we're gonna work on the wet mixture. So we're going to do some sugar and then we're gonna do room temperature eggs, 2 of them, and then we're going to do some vanilla extract and we're going to cream that together. And once that's all together, we're gonna set that aside because then we're going to mix together the wet and the dry at this point. Like I said, this recipe is super easy. Like it worked out great. I was so excited about this one. It worked out perfect. And just kidding, it was only 3 eggs. I said 2. But you know, it's really hard when you write it down and then you rewatch it and then you assume and then it's sped up and just see, don't listen to me. This is why I don't like to ever say the measurements. I just write it because it's just easier, because then I get confused and then I realized right here that I needed a bigger bowl because we're gonna add flour and stuff to this and I needed a bigger bowl. So we're just gonna pretend we're just gonna this never happened. And to this lovely red bowl that we actually started with, we're going to add the chocolate mixture. Now just make sure that the chocolate mixture is cooled down because you don't want it too hot to where it starts to cook the eggs. You don't want scrambled egg brownies, so just make sure that it's cooled down enough. It doesn't have to be completely cooled because then it's going to turn back into chocolate and we still want it melted. Just make sure it's not like hot to the touch. If you can touch it, it's not going to curdle the eggs. Now to this mixture, we are going to add the flour and all of that mixture, the dry. And I would recommend switching to a spatula. It works a lot easier, and we just mix it until it's well combined. Then I'm gonna grab a baking sheet and I'm gonna line it with some tin foil, and then I'm going to spray it with some gluten-free cooking spray. Yes, if you didn't know, cooking spray is not always gluten-free. Yeah, I know, crazy, right? I didn't even know that. But yeah, we're just gonna spray it because I always get scared that they're gonna stick, but I'm doing this so that way I can easily just pull them out, let them cool, and then I can cut them all super easy instead of trying to, like, you know, get them out of the pan and grease the pan, and too much dishes, too much time, too much everything. And then we're going to pour the mixture in, and we're going to smooth it out on top so that way we get an even cook. And then we are going to pop them in the oven. And like I said, the time does vary depending on, you know, what pan and stuff you use. And so, but, oh, look at the way that turned out. Isn't that a just, ooh, it looks freaking, oh, look at that. So decadent, so rich. They were tasty. They were lovely. This recipe was fantastic. You guys are gonna let me know how this is. You guys have to let me know. Tell me if you like it. If not, then yell at me and say it was gross. I hope you don't, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. But if not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.